Today I'll be teaching you on Facebook creation wahala. There was a particular friend of mine who called me and she was telling me about her issue on creating a page, because she is a content creator and she was actually using her Facebook profile account to create content, and she have gotten followers, and as well she has been able to get good number of views. But then she wanted to monetize, and she cannot actually do that using the normal Facebook profile. So I told her she needed a page, and when she tried creating a page, she encountered this problem: we created too many pages. And I tried it myself, and I found out that even on my own page I had that same issue. Then I look for solution on how to avoid that. So that is what I'll be teaching you today on this video, teaching you 2 methods on how you can actually create your Facebook pages. All right, so this is my Facebook, and I'll head on to the menu section now to create a page, and then I'll click on pages, and then I'll click on create, then get started, and then I'll pick my page name, Mr. Shift. Okay, and then next, then I'll pick my category, personal blog and advertising and marketing. Okay, and then create. So you can see you've created too many pages recently. Please try again later. You see, this is the issue a lot of persons are having while creating a page. I'm going to be showing you 2 methods on how you can actually do this with your smartphone and also with the use of the desktop. All right, be iPhone and Android at the same time. All right, so method 1, what we're going to be doing is you need to use your browser to create your page. All right, so you head onto your phone. For Android users, you can't do this on iPhone, because the minute you try doing it on iPhone using your browser, it takes you back to the app. All right, so you use that for only Android. All right, so you go to your Android browser and log in with your login details correctly. When you log in, then go to pages and try to create your page. You can also do this on desktop. All right, iPhone users, stick around, because method 2 is for you on how you can actually do that with your iPhone. All right, so right about now, method 2 will be using what I call VPN. All right, so all you just have to do now, download VPN, and then as well for iPhone users, download VPN. So I'm going to go to my Apple Store right now and download the VPN. All right, okay, I'll go to the search bar and I'll type VPN, then I'll search. Now we have the VPN 360, we have other VPN, but I want you, for iPhone users, please download the Windscribe VPN. For Android users, you have a lot of VPN to download and you can use. All right, so for me, I've downloaded it. I will just go ahead and open my Windscribe VPN because I've downloaded it already. Loading. I'm already on my Windscribe VPN. So what you do now, you go to this power button and turn it on. Okay, you can see it's loading, showing no internet yet, and it is on. Now when you're doing this, ensure that your normal data is on. Don't turn off your normal data. Ensure your normal secular data is on. All right, so once you've turned on your VPN, you sit at the top VPN, and then we head on to Facebook again, and then we'll go back to pages, and then we'll go to create. Same process again, and now I'm going to put my name, Mr. Shift, then enter next, and then personal blog, and then marketing. The category is very, very important. All right, that is for you to know. So I'll click on create. Now remember the other time it showed that we should have created too many pages, we should try again, but right now you can see it has gone through. All right, so I'll just fill in these details, my bio, what we are all about on this page. So you quickly fill up your information right here for your business. So when you have done that, you click on the next button, and then you can see where you can add your profile picture and then your cover photo. Alright, so I'm gonna click on next. Now you can add your WhatsApp number to that later on, when you can do that. So I'll skip it now. Your friends, you can invite your friends. I'm going to click on next and all of that, so you can see that your page is ready. Alright, so if you have having issue, then I've showed you the 2 methods on how you can actually overcome this and get your account going. If you found this video helpful, I want you to subscribe to this video, hit the notification button, and do not forget to like and share this video. Let others get the opportunity to know how to create their pages